No picture.
No picture? Okay. I'll take a movie and I'll show it to you later. Okay. What's Tatum doing?
Sitting.
I'll end up getting more. Oh! What do you say? Bless you. Very good.
Dan.
Again. Is she looking at her big sister? Who's the big sister?
Mia.
Who's the little sister?
Dan.
Yeah. Love you, Mia.
Hey.
Oh, is that an eye? Gentle, very good.
Hey.
Hey. Were you guys watching TV together? Yeah. Love you.
Feet hiding.
Are they hiding? Can you find them?
Toe.
Where's your toes? Oh, are they down there? Oh,
Hey. Hey, toe.
hey, toes. Where's Mia's toes? Oh, does Mia have big feet? Tiny feet. What about Tatum?
Big feet, Tatum.
Do you have big feet, Tatum? Oh, that's a big foot right there.
Big one. It one.
Yep.
Big.
Yeah.
Tiny one.
Yeah.
Hey. She.
Do you want to see my granola bar?
Hold it.
Yeah.